Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust YouTube Shorts quality. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically first you will need just to go to your YouTube mobile app and then go to the Shorts tab. And basically when you go to or when you encounter any shorts, you will find this 3 point icon. And by clicking on it, you will find this quality option. When you click on this quality option, you will find the current quality and then you can make it either a higher picture quality or you can simply make it lower. By going to the lower quality, you will have the lowest quality for these shorts. So basically, you can simply go here and do like that. And if we go back, we go to quality. Normally, it should go to data saver. Anyways, if you want to make these shorts or your changes to be permanent, you can simply go to the settings and basically you will need to go to the video and audio preferences tab or section. And from here, we will need to choose video quality preferences. And from here, you can start controlling your shorts uh, settings or quality, and you will be able to watch the quality for your the shorts for your video. And make sure to have a stable connection because internet connection will affect also the performance of a higher quality or a lower quality. So simply, this is how you can adjust the quality of the shorts that you are watching. Thank you for watching and see you next time.